The string capacity configured for the inverter exceeds the inverter capacity. If the solar irradiance is good, but the active output power of some inverters does not reach the expected value, use the following solution for troubleshooting. Check whether PV modules are shaded or dirty. Handle any exceptions promptly. Check the reactive power output. Check whether the inverter continuously supplies reactive power. If yes, check and adjust parameters as required. Check whether the inverter has received a power limiting command from the northbound system. Log into the FusionSolar Smart PVMS and click Monitoring. Choose Plant Configuration. Check Fixed Active Power Derating and Active Power Percentage Derating. If there is a command for output not at the maximum power, adjust parameters as required. The grid voltage is too low. The AC output current of the inverter has reached the maximum value. The maximum output power of the inverter is limited due to low grid voltage. The expected values cannot be achieved. You are advised to adjust the grid voltage. If the problem persists, contact Huawei Technical Support.